Hey everyone! We're back again with another authentic Thai recipe, direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. You might know a dish called Pad Kee Mao, or Drunken Noodles. It's the fiery Thai stir-fry made with holy basil, chili, and garlic. It's usually made with wide rice noodles. But here we make it with instant ramen noodles instead. The flavor that sets it apart is finger root, a peppery, aromatic Thai rhizome. It's known as grachai in Thai. This is Pad Kee Mao Mama. Everything you love about drunken noodles in a fast plate of the noodles you may already have in your kitchen. While you salivate over the taste of this amazing noodle dish, let's talk about our ingredients. We're using about 200 grams of sliced pork belly. It's like bacon, but not smoked the American way. A large handful of bai gra pao, also known as Thai holy basil. 2 packs of dry ramen noodles. 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. 1 tablespoon of chopped Thai chili. 1 Thai chili sliced. 1 tablespoon of diced onion. 1 tablespoon of sliced carrot. 1 tablespoon of sliced baby corn. 2 tablespoons of shredded grachai, also known as finger root. 5 to 6 kaffir lime leaves. 2 teaspoons of Thai light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of Thai dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, we have everything ready, so let's get started. First, you'll need to boil your noodles. Cook them just until they're barely softened, but not too mushy. Remove the noodles from the water and drain them well. Start with a clean pan. Preheat, then add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the chili, garlic, and onion, and stir and fry for a few seconds. Add the pork belly and stir it into the mix. Fry until lightly browned. Add finger root, then add some water. Add light soy sauce. Add the sugar and other seasonings. Add the dark soy sauce. Kaffir lime leaves, carrot, corn, and sliced chili. Stir it all up well, then add the oyster sauce. Stir and fry for a bit until it's all hot. Add the cooked ramen noodles. Stir and toss into the sauce carefully so you don't break or chop up the noodles. Continue tossing until well coated with the seasonings. Add the basil leaves and continue tossing. Serve immediately on 2 plates or 1 big plate for sharing. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At Active Thai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!